Okay, real talk. If you are on Substack Notes, you know the pain. You're scrolling, you see an incredible note like gold, you want to come back to it, and what do? You screenshot it or you copy the link into some random Google Doc and you will never ever open this again, right? We've all done it. Well, now we can stop because Substack finally built the one thing everybody's been asking for. You can now bookmark a note natively in the app. You don't need an extension. You don't need a workaround. No dog graveyard. I'm not kidding. This is a big deal. And here's why you should care. The best stuff on Substack, it's not always the big long form stories. It is the notes, the quick hot takes, the one-liners, the little ideas that smack you in the face. And until now, there was no way to save them. They just vanish into the scroll. Gone forever, heartbreaking. Now, one tap, saved and done. So let me show you how you can do this step by step because it's stupid simple. Okay, so let me show you how this works. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by, of course, going on your newsletter. This would be your your subdomain.substack.com. In my case, I have a custom domain, and so it is onlinewritingclub.com, and then it's going to be /notes. In your case, it would be your subdomain.substack.com/notes. I'm going to be there. I'm going to go here, and here I am. La la la. I can then scroll through my notes feed. There is, for instance, one example here, strawberry picking with the girls. As an example, this is something that I shared. But now I can scroll through notes, and you can also see that I, for instance, restacked something. And we could, for instance, go with this one here from Dr. Annie. So I could now click on the three dots, super easy. I can click on the three dots and I can then say, you know what, I would like to bookmark this one as I want to come back to this. And I can click on the three dots. I click on save, and this is what I need to do. That's it. That is the whole thing. You just bookmark the note. This is how you do it. And to find it again later, you go to your save tab, and there it is waiting for you like a good little note. So where can you find this? You would go back to your newsletter page, your website, your blog, however you want to call it. You would click on your avatar, you would click on explore, and then you would see here more, this hamburger menu. You click on it, and then you're going to see saved. And the moment you hit on saved, this is the cool thing really. Let me go on saved. There we would now see Dr. Annie. Of course, we're going to see way more, for instance, Stephanie and stuff. We could then scroll through it and see what else we have bookmarked. Now, here's the part nobody's going to tell you. This isn't just about saving stuff you like. If you're trying to grow on Substack, use this as a swipe file. This is my recommendation. Every time a note crushes, tons of likes, restacks, comments, save it. Build yourself a little library of what actually works. Then study it, steal the structure, not the words. Let's say you are new to Substack and you, for instance, find Annie in your feed. She's an Online Writing Club member from the onlinewritingclub.com, and she, for instance, would inspire you to, oh, wow, apparently this got like 14 likes, 2 comments, and 1 person restacking this as an example. As you're new, you're happy about all the likes and all the restacks and all the comments. So you're going to say, you know what, this is going to inspire me. You're going to bookmark this to come to this later, so you never ever have to start with a blank page and stare at a blank page. This is the cool thing. So you somehow can reverse engineer like the good content instead of guessing. This would mean for you would now know, oh, cool, I can, for instance, take a screenshot and I can celebrate my small wins, my small milestones, which work pretty well on Substack. Substack added bookmarking to notes. It took them not forever, but they did it, and it's awesome. And it was an idea that someone had, and then Substack said, I'm going to do this. Also, if you're going to check out Substack's logo, you also see this is a bookmark icon somehow, you see the bookmark icon here. So at some point in their, let's say, history, they had to ship something like bookmarking for notes. We have this already ready for the long form stories. So if I'm going to go in my saved posts and scroll down, then for instance, I'm also going to see like long form stuff. For instance, they had a masterclass on podcasting, which I of course also bookmarked. And so in the past, I was bookmarking long form, but now I can also bookmark short form, which is incredible. If this helped you out, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next video. If you have any suggestions, let me know. I can't wait to see you. Tschüss, my friend.